In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw a realistic eyebrow using different pencil techniques. Let's get started. I begin with an HB mechanical pencil to sketch the basic shape of the eyebrow. Light strokes help me define the curve and direction of the hair. Now I switch to a Staedtler 8B pencil. With gentle pressure, I draw individual hair strokes, starting from the inner corner and moving outward. Always follow the natural hair flow. Layering strokes and adjusting pressure adds thickness and texture. I avoid making the lines too uniform. It's the irregularity that makes it feel natural. For the final touches, I use a Staedtler Black 8B to sharpen key hairs and deepen the darkest parts. This contrast makes the eyebrow pop. At this point, the eyebrow has form, volume, and a realistic hair texture. A few careful details can bring your drawing to life. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more pencil art tutorials. And let me know in the comments, what would you like to see me draw next?